world most amazing and one of best car. Welcome to our channel. Let's check it out. This is still the prototype version, mind you. The world's most expensive new car is now on the road, well, at least on the grassy exhibits and small streets of Italy during the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este. The one-off Bugatti La Voiture Noire has gained notoriety not only because of its hefty $18.68 million price tag but also of its status as the spiritual successor to Jean Bugatti's personal Type 57 SC Atlantic that got lost during World War II. The public debut of the La Voiture Noire during the 2019 Geneva Motor Show has caught the attention of the world, even its exit from the event grounds, because it's still a prototype. This time, however, the La Voiture Noire made a public appearance at the BMW Group organized automotive event, which name translates to Competition of Elegance of Villa d'Este, quite fitting for the multi-million supercar. Even better, the video on top of this page shows the car outdoors under natural light. Now, in case you're wondering, the La Voiture Noire shown on the video is still the electric prototype that debuted at the Geneva Motor Show. That explains why there's no engine sound and the brake calipers spin with the wheels. If you must recall, Bugatti said that it would need 2 to 2.5 years to complete the production version of the La Voiture Noire. So, yes, the one on the video doesn't have the quad-turbo W16 8.0-liter engine with 1,500 horsepower and 1,600 Nm, 1,180 pound-feet, of torque that could be found in the Chiron, Chiron Sport, and Divo. The owner of the La Voiture Noire is still a mystery at this point. It was previously reported that Cristiano Ronaldo allegedly bought the car, but the news was immediately debunked by the football superstar's PR team. La Voiture Noire is a far more than a modern interpretation of Jean Bugatti's Type 57 SC Atlantic. It is a feast of aesthetics, said Stefan Winkelmann, Bugatti president. The true form of luxury is individuality. La Voiture Noire is now at the cutting edge of automobile production. La Voiture Noire has an 8-liter engine that produces 1,479 horsepower, 1,103 kilowatts, and 1,180 pound-feet, 1,600 Nm, of torque from its 16 cylinders. This is the iconic W16 that has been at the heart of Bugatti in recent years, retuned for this special car. While the Bugatti is grabbing plenty of attention in Geneva this year, it's still a bit shy of the priciest vehicle ever. That record was set by a Ferrari 250 GTO, which is believed to have been sold for somewhere in the order of $70–80 million in May 2018. Previously, the most expensive new car ever sold was a $13 million Rolls-Royce Sweptail. It was also a one-off coupe. The car, which La Voiture Noire pays homage to the Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, is one of the most valuable and sought-after cars in the world. Full story here. There were only 4 made, 3 of which still exist in collections, with only 2 of those are totally original.